Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV, and today I'm going to do a little quick review on my pressure washer here. About a year ago, or it's actually about a year and 2 months ago, I did a video on replacing this pump and the process in there, which really is pretty simple. Anyway, I've now had it a year. I've been using it quite a bit, especially here in the last 2 or 3 weeks since it warmed up. I've used the heck out of this thing. The pump works awesome. The of course the motor still runs great. It's a Honda motor, so it's hard to complain there. I've had zero problems, and I guess that's really all I wanted to say was I'll clip in that, or I'll make a link to that other video where I installed this. But basically, I just wanted to give you a 1 year update. It works great. It has given me zero problems since getting it installed. I think the only thing I had a problem with originally was just finding a key for it, for the keyway on the engine output shaft to the input shaft here. But even that was, it was a matter of going down to Ace Hardware and finding a part. So very simple. I really haven't played with the pressure very much. I basically dialed it up to about the maximum and use it there all the time, so I really don't play with that very much. And other than that, the thing has just worked really well. So that's the update. It works great. Highly recommend the pump. I'll put links for the pump and some other parts there in the description. And again, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.